Yo, where'd you get that fit?
ItsJustByron.com, bro.
That's crazy. You work at YG, man?
No, I wish, bro. But get your shirt, pants out right now. Go get it right now.
All right, I'll go get it right now.
Hey yo, what's up, guys?
La 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 la, oh shit, la 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 la. Hey, you, la 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 la. Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are good. I'm out of breath. Give me 1 second. Today has been the day. Last week I've been gearing up for this, but as you didn't see my last video, I don't know if you did, but we're gonna continue with tripleS week. This week, everything we'll be checking out, I'm gonna be checking out is tripleS only, and maybe a third week of tripleS too, because I'm still out of breath. Because I want to finish all of the tripleS content that they have, which I still haven't finished reacting to their old stuff, and literally they just dropped this, so now I'm gonna have to react to this, and I do want to react to the whole album as well, so I'm probably gonna check out the audio first, because if they do a performance video, it's gonna take some time for that. Of course, I understand that, and this is the first thing that's happened, and literally this the whole reason I'm here is because of like last week I've been preparing for this, and also the other tripleS reactions before last week I've been gearing up for this as well. And this is a full member tripleS song, which maybe this is the best time to become a tripleS fan or a wave, because this is technically their first comeback as a full group, because I wasn't even a fan or didn't really know about them when they first debuted as 24 members, but I did react to the Girls Never Die music video if you haven't seen already, so you can check that out before or after this one. But this is pretty much why I've been, so wanting to check out more tripleS, because of this specific comeback. This is again full members, man. 24 members, assemble 25. Are you alive? I've been talking about this the last week. And I don't know if you guys have been following my tripleS week. If you have, let me know in the comments. I'm super curious if people have been watching me on this journey to become ultimate wave, I guess. But like I said, this isn't the last tripleS reaction I'm going to do. In terms of this album, I kind of want to check out each song in one video, like in different videos. So each song, each B-side, we'll be checking out in a separate reaction. So tomorrow's going to be one song from this album, another song B-side. I don't really know where I'm going to go. I might just start from the beginning song to the end song. I don't even actually know how many songs are in this album either. So if you know, let me know in the comments. But anyways, let me stop talking. Oh, and if there's a way you want me to go with reacting to this album, then let me know. Should I just react to the whole album in one sitting, or is it better for you guys for me to react to each song in different videos? Because that's kind of what I'm planning to do. And then after this week of tripleS, then I still need to finish reacting to everything else that tripleS has, which I haven't even finished. And the last thing I still want to keep for the last thing that I check out tripleS is the subunit Aria, because like I said, everyone in that subunit is who I like the most right now in this tripleS group, and also Katone. So like Katone plus everyone in Aria are my favorites right now in tripleS. But okay, now let me stop talking, because I've been talking a lot in these tripleS videos, tripleS week. If you guys enjoy when I talk more like this, then let me know in the comments. But I feel like a lot of people just want me to get the reaction going, but when it's groups that I really like, I tend to talk a lot more. But anyways, let's go. If you guys enjoy my videos, if you're not subscribed, press subscribe and press that bell notification. You don't miss when I post a new video. I'm going to post so much more tripleS tomorrow and this next week, and even week after this one. So get prepared for more tripleS stuff. You can also follow my Instagram right here.
Alright.
Yeah. And also, I'm wearing this today. If you didn't know, this is my own shirt. I made it myself. Get in the shop, JustByronShop.com. Link description. You can go check it out. Copy yourself one. Don't have many sizes left, so get it while you still can. Anyways, and I'm also hoping I'm the first one to check this out, this music video, because this is literally just premiering. It's literally premiering as I'm making this video. So let's see first if there's English subs or any subtitles right now. There is. See, like, this is one thing I don't get. It's like, sometimes we'll get videos or groups, artists come up with a music video. There have been like actually no subtitles, and also sometimes there's groups that have like this. tripleS has like English, Spanish, Filipino, all this freaking subtitles, and it has like, the song hasn't really even aired. It's premiering. You know what I'm saying? So if you know more about like how groups and artists, you know, do their subtitles, then let me know, because I don't even know if people know. Anyways.
Are you alive?
Oh! I was wondering what the la la la's would it be like this time. Hey. Oh, this got a little hip hop vibe. Whoa. Oh! You finally got Katone not rapping, but like little rapping tone. This 808 is going crazy. Hey. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, let's go shit. Ooh, now they're in a campfire. La 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 la. Oh. Oh, what's that bridge, man? What's the bridge gonna be? Oh. Interlude? Oh, Yuyeon. I haven't seen you yet. But you're not. Whoa, whoa, what the fuck? There's a beach here. Whoa. Oh my god, this beat is going crazy. Okay, come on, give me a little bridge, please. Hey! Wow, we didn't get any Jiwoo yet. I haven't heard her yet. Well, there we go. Of course, they're all Air Force. All white Air Forces.
Yo, where'd you get that fit?
ItsJustByron.com, bro.
That's crazy. Work at YG, man?
No, our wrist, bro. But get your shirt, pants out right now. Go get it right now.
All right, I'll go get it right now.
Oh! It's not a lollipop, so yeah, it's a freaking what is it called? Dandelion? Dandelion. Is that what it's called? Dandelion. Is that what? Dandelion's the other one. What is that called? Dandelion? I know that flower, whatever that is, but what is it's dandelion, right? No, I don't know. Anyways, oh my god, like the beat right away, it had this like hip hop. The bass is super heavy and loud, which I haven't really heard. Well, I guess Hit the Floor was more like an actual like hip hoppy sound with like hip hop sounds and stuff. But this time it had this hip hop vibe in terms of the beat, but it didn't have that hip hop vibe in terms of like the song and how it sounded when the voices came in. I don't know, like just like the instrumental had this like heavy bass, loud bass sound. And also there's like this dance break part or like beat change. I thought they were going to use that beat with voices, but I think after the beat change and the dance break ended is when they went back to the original sound. So I don't know, cause I also felt like at that point they could have used Katone with the rapping, but again, there's 24 members here, so it's even like, I know it's tough to have everyone have like certain parts, but I didn't even see some of the members in this video. Shion, I heard her, but I didn't really see her. And also Soa, the maknae of the group, I didn't hear her in the song or see her in the song. But again, this is like, when it comes to tripleS, I always feel like maybe they should make the song a little bit longer so that everyone can have their parts, you know what I'm saying? Because there's 24 members, which is a lot of members. And like I said, I didn't even hear or see Soa in this music video. So that is that. And then I still have more tripleS to check out. Like I said, tomorrow I'm going to continue with this Assemble 25. I'm probably going to check out each song per video. So tomorrow's going to be another Assemble 25 song. Probably going to start from the title track, or not title, the first song on that album, and then make my way down. Again, I don't even know how many songs are here. And, but this will be the first album that I ever check out in terms of tripleS. So if you have any suggestions where I should start in this Assemble 25 album, let me know in the comments. And then after this week of tripleS, like I said, next week is probably going to be more tripleS, because I want to finish all this tripleS content, even though they just came out with new music. I still have old tripleS songs I haven't heard, so I'm going to be checking that out this next 2 weeks. So subscribe, press that bell if you're fans of them, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Hey, it's outro. If you want to check out more videos, click on the screen right now. If you want to check out more videos, go to my channel, check them out. While you at, subscribe right here. Go to my shop, ItsJustByron.com. I'm wearing it today. You can get this shirt right here. Click there, go get this shirt. Don't have many sizes left, so get it while you still can. But I also have some pants, joggers, which I'm not wearing right now, but you can get the whole fit. Same matching shirt, matching pants, get the whole thing right now, whole fit. Like I said, I don't have many sizes left, so get it while you still can.